Hello everyone, it's your girl Shruti. What's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. It's been ages since I've done a shapewear haul and I know you guys absolutely love it. So today in this video, we are going to be testing out an influencer-led brand called Underneath. It's by Kusha Kapila and it's all about shapewear, bra, like everything intimate basically. And I've been wanting to try this brand out for quite some while, but मैं wait करी थी. I wanted them to come out with a bunch of new products, तो मैं सब एक साथ try out कर सकूँ, आप लोगों के साथ share कर सकूँ. I have picked up their shapewear, a bunch of new bras that I really wanted to try out. So let's see whether जो भी वो लोग claim करते हैं, do they actually mean it? And they are talking about comfort, they are talking about size inclusivity, which you guys know I absolutely love. So let's see whether it's actually worth your money, which one you should buy and which one you can skip. So without further ado, let's get started. Talk about the shapewear because I am the most excited about this one. मेरे पास बहुत सारे shapewear है already. This was the most unique one जो मेरे पास existing में नहीं है because it is strapless and I feel like ये एक ऐसा shapewear है which covers majority of the problem areas, you know. So this is the strapless butt lifting bodysuit. I love that it is strapless. आप देख सकते हो. You can easily remove this or wear it with the strap, which is perfect. And it cinches near the tummy area, which is like the problem area, and it lifts up the butt and it covers the thigh as well. So I feel like the whole everything is concealed properly. Can we take a moment and just look at the size? Look at me. It does not feel like it will fit me at all. When I looked at it, I'm like, मैं इसमें fit होंगी? Is that even possible? And guess what? I am able to fit in this. I have picked up a size medium and that fits me perfectly. Please go through their size chart. वो perfect है. उसका जो measurement है उसके हिसाब से ही उठाना. First, let's talk about the pros of this product. Firstly, it fits me perfectly. Size chart एकदम perfect है. And ये देख के ऐसा लगेगा आपको कि आप fit in नहीं हो पाओगे, but you can actually fit in this product. It's extremely stretchable, which is great. And थोड़ा starting में आपको obviously, you know, you have to zhuzh it up, but again, shapewear is something that you need to like fit in properly. Nails से ऐसे ये मत करना, फाड़ सकते हो. So yeah, that is something that I would say because you do have to struggle a little, but once you fit in, you won't feel like you're suffocating in it. That's what I mean. Love the fact that it is strapless. मेरे पास बहुत सारे shapewear है, but none of them are strapless. So this is definitely unique. And बहुत सारे tops होते हैं, one pieces होते हैं जो strapless होते हैं. So you can't really wear anything with it, or at least a shapewear with them. But now I can. Third thing, the bra in this. It actually fits and works like a bra. I was so confused. मुझे तो लगा था ये बिल्कुल भी support नहीं देने वाला है. It's gonna be sagging and it's not gonna do what it's supposed to do. I was like fully sure I'm gonna hate on that. But guess what? It works wonders. Everything in it just works somehow. Gives you the best support. I don't think it gives jiggle control, but it gives you the support and the lift that you need. You can actually pair it up with another product that I'm going to talk about next. But even without that, it's giving me the support that I actually need. Second thing is यहाँ पर ना side में boning दिया हुआ है, which I think is must. If you don't have that side boning over here, it just looks like spread out like that, which I don't like. Because of this boning, it just cinches at the side as well and it gives you a perfect fit. And the material on this, for some reason, it just fits and gives you that lift you need. Another thing that I want to point out about the top portion of it is यहाँ पर है ना silicone grip भी दिया हुआ है. So it like sticks to your skin properly. It's not gonna slide down. Moving on to the tummy tucker portion. You can see the before and after. Before में आप clearly देख सकते हो. I have a little bit of a pooch going on, the tummy fat. And back पे भी आप देख सकते हो. It's not really even. There is a little bit of bumps here and there which I would love to smoothen out. So आप before देख चुके हो. Let's see the after now. आप देख सकते हो. It has beautifully cinched everything in. It's not extremely uncomfortable where I feel like I'm feeling a little restricted. I don't know if I'll be able to eat and if I'll be able to feel comfortable. It's actually so comfortable, which was like a shocker for me. मेरे पास एक और शेपवेयर है जो मैं बहुत ज्यादा पहनती हूँ, बट उसमें ना बोनिंग है राइट ऑन द स्टमक एरिया, विच इज एक्सट्रीमली अनकंफर्टेबल पहनने में, निकालने में. Plus, even when I'm sitting down, it feels extremely uncomfortable near the tummy area. I do feel restricted, but not with this one. आप देख सकते हो, there is no boning, and obviously this is not like that half one. It's a full shapewear. तो ये roll down भी नहीं होने वाला है. It has medium compression. आप देख सकते हो clearly before and after में. I'm very happy with the stomach control situation, the tummy tucker control situation. Moving on to the back area, the butt lifting thing. Obviously, you need to place the butt in this scrunchy thing जो आप देख रहे हो. Butt lifting, I feel like it's so. मुझे इतना भी कुछ ऐसे drastic difference नहीं दिखा है. आप clearly देख सकते हो before and after में. अगर आपको दिख रहा होगा then definitely let me know. And honestly, I don't really mind. उसके लिए मैंने ये नहीं लिया था. And talking about the bottom, like the thigh section area, again it cinches in really well. It gives a nice contoured shape from top to bottom and it looks very uniform. Plus it does come with the straps as well, so if you want to wear it halter neck, if you want to wear it zigzag, like literally so many ways that you can wear it. It's truly a very versatile piece and I highly recommend. मुझे तो काफी ज्यादा पसंद आया. It's going to be one of my favorite ones so far. And now let's talk about the cons. Honestly, I don't have any. I think the money is invested well and Kusha Kapila has really put thoughts into it, because मैं अभी देख रही हूँ, मैंने पहना है ये, एंड मुझे कोई भी ऐसा चीज नहीं लगा कि दिस कुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल बेटर, दिस कुड हैव बीन अ लिटिल डिफरेंट. वन पॉइंट दैट आई टोटली फॉरगॉट टू टॉक अबाउट इज द पी होल एरिया. यहाँ पर पी होल एरिया दिया हुआ है, सो व्हेन यू स्क्वाट और लाइक सिट डाउन इट विल ओपन अप ओवर हियर, समथिंग लाइक दिस. आई फील लाइक ये थोड़ा छोटा लग रहा है मुझे. आई डोंट फील कंफर्टेबल. I don't feel like it won't wet the around area, you know what I mean. I wish ये थोड़ा और better होता, थोड़ा more wider area होता, that would have been better. But yeah, they have given the pee hole, so you don't have to remove the whole shapewear and wear it again if you want to pee. Talking about the size as well, मैं medium में fit in होती हूँ and the size goes up to 3XL. So it's quite a good size range as well. So yeah, I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. If you are interested in buying this, it's a big thumbs up. Next, I want to talk about their bunny ups. I have already made a very in detail video about this. I'll leave the links up above. कि कैसे use करते हैं, कैसे दिखता है. I've literally made everything because we are talking about underneath. Like, how can I not talk about this product? I'm obsessed with this product. मैं actually एक beach vacation पे जाने वाली हूँ. I am going to try it out in the waters. I don't know if it will survive or have to buy a new one, but I'm gonna test it out. So probably आगे जाके मैं update दूंगी if it survives that. Another pro that I really want to point out is the size of this. Do you see how nice and big it is? Especially if you are a double D cup, C cup and above. Basically, this is a really good size. You can wear it as a comma, you can wear it up as a halter, you can wear it in so many ways, which I absolutely love. And you can actually wear something that is backless. जैसे ये flap out होता है, I really like to pair it up with my Enama strapless bra along with this, and then it can give me like the strapless thing. But I really want to try out this product with the shapewear. I think it will truly make a huge difference. This is how I look with the bunny ups and the shapewear paired together. What do you guys think? I think it gave me a really nice lift. Already ये वाला product अच्छा दिखता ही है, but I think this one definitely adds a little bit more definition, a little bit more of a lift. The way I want it to look, the breast area basically is looking really good paired together. But even alone, I really like this product. It's a 10 out of 10 product. अगर आपको in detail इसका video चाहिए, then go check that video out. इसके बाद I have picked up a bunch of bras, so let's try them one by one. The first one I have picked up is this seamless scoop neck bralette, and as the name suggests, it's like a bralette. There's no hooks or anything at the back, and this is how it looks like. The first thing I noticed as soon as I removed this is how lightweight it is. It's super lightweight, super soft, comfortable. quality of the material 10 on 10. Even when you wear it, it's like buttery soft on your body. But ये मैं suggest करूँगी only for A and B cup who does not really need a lot of support going around and they just need a comfortable bra to wear and lounge all day. Then you can definitely go for it. But if you are someone above C cup, this is not gonna give you any support whatsoever. So let's start talking about the cons now. The first one I want to talk about is the नीचे का band. ये वाला जो होता है, it's so पतला. There's no grip, no support whatsoever. Especially if you are C cup and above. The cups are heavy. It sags down. And if this one is not able to hold it and does not have that grip, it's gonna slide down. If you doing this, it's gonna slide down, you know what I mean? So yeah, this is absolute zero support. As you can see, it kind of looks like a trainer bra and अंदर भी ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, it's just double कपड़ा material, that's all. If you wear it, it kind of gives it that uni boob effect. And अगर आप साइड में भी देखोगे ना, there is no boning, there is no extra fabric to cinch it in between. So again, वहाँ पर भी ऐसे sideways also it's like this and it's a uni boob situation, does not really look flattering at all. Back mein there are no hooks or whatsoever. It's like a bralette only, but I don't see the point in it. I don't feel like that is something that I would gravitate towards. So I would give it a big no. I do not like this. Next, I picked up their wireless shaping bra and इसका look and feel देख के आप समझ ही गए होंगे. This is very similar. The material and the way it is very similar to the shapewear I wore. So yeah, this is literally exactly the same thing but with straps. I wish ये भी strapless आता तो और भी मजा आ जाता. But yeah, as I said, वो इतना अच्छे से fit कर रहा है. I don't know, something about the material just fits right and it actually supports your breast. It's super soft, comfortable, does not have any underwire, does not have any padding. आप देख सकते हो, it has this scrunch thing. It actually makes it look really well and full coverage है, आप देख सकते हो. It also does not have any hooks or anything like this. This is also kind of like a bralette only, I would say, but like a shapewear bralette. तो अगर आप C cup above हो, I would just say go for this one. Very comfortable, very similar. Few of the cons I would like to point out, like the side thing. I wish जो boning उसमें दिया हुआ है इसमें भी होता. So there is no support at the side. I wish यहाँ पर भी slight छोटा सा एक boning भी दिया होता ना. It would have made a lot of difference. Second thing is there is no nipple covering, nothing. So you definitely do have to wear nipple pads with it. आप वो भी reusable silicone वाला ले सकते हो जो आप reuse कर सकते हो. But you definitely do need it because it does not have anything that supports that. As I said, अगर ये भी strapless होता तो सोने पे सुहागा होता. Let's talk about the pros as well because why do I actually like it? One thing, seamless. It's extremely seamless. मेरे पास ऐसा कोई भी ब्रा नहीं है जो इतना seamless है. Especially if you have tops that are extremely पतला, figure hugging, and even if आपका ब्रा थोड़ा सा भी thick होगा, it's gonna show through, peek through. If you have those kind of tops, you need something like this. Definitely you need to wear nipple pads underneath, but other than that, इतना seamless, so soft, comfortable and seamless. और ऐसा ब्रा, इतना seamless ब्रा मेरे पास है नहीं. So I'm definitely gonna keep it. I actually ended up picking the same thing up in black as well. Color option ज़्यादा है नहीं. Nude and black ही है mostly तो. And I think hot pink है in few products. And I have picked up in size medium. ये सब चीज़ें mostly medium size ही है. And this is how it looks like. So cute, same exact thing, just in black color. Talking about the size, I have picked it up in size medium and it is available till 2XL. So yeah, if you want to give it a try, you can definitely check it out. Next, I picked up their seamless bandeau bra. देख के मुझे लगा था कि मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद आने वाला है, but sadly, no. I picked it up in size large. I don't know, maybe medium would fit me a little bit better, but ये थोड़ा loose भी हो रहा है. And इसका जो material है, it's very different. It's a nice, soft, comfortable material only. बट आई एम एक्चुअली नॉट अ बिग फैन ऑफ दिस एट ऑल. आई डोंट नो व्हाई. इसका भी जो नीचे का बैंड है, लाइक इट्स नॉट गिविंग मी द सपोर्ट दैट आई नीड. सो या, दैट इज अ बिग bummer. Boning, no side support extra at all. Definitely need to wear nipple pads underneath. I really like the coverage, like the back coverage is really good, nice and big, and front का भी coverage काफी अच्छा है. Probably if I pick up a size smaller, because large is definitely not fitting me. It's feeling a little bit loose on me. एंड यहाँ पर ना ऐसे सिलिकॉन का स्ट्रिप है ये पूरा, बिकॉज आई थिंक ये साइज थोड़ा ऊपर है तो इट्स नॉट रियली फिटिंग और स्टिकिंग टू माई बॉडी एज वेल. मुझे लग रहा है कि अगर ये शेपवेयर वाला मटीरियल होता इन स्ट्रैपलेस, जस्ट दैट स्ट्रैपलेस थिंग, it would have fitted so much better. ये वाला अलग मटीरियल है. I'm not a big fan of this. Next, I picked up the bra I was most excited about. It's their Minimizer bra. It's seamless. It does not have any padding, but it does have underwire and it looks something like this. You guys know I love my Minimizer bras, and ये कुशा कपिला का भी favorite bra है. Does it minimize? Yes, it does. I do feel very seamless, comfortable. Again, ये भी bra ऐसा है ना, it's very seamless. So if you're wearing anything that is very figure hugging and very patla, this would actually look really good. Let's talk about the pros first. I like the way it fits. It is a true minimizer bra. It definitely reduces a size, and the way it feels, it looks really good. It's a nice full coverage, but I wish the coverage would have been a little bit more, तो और भी सोने पे सुहागा होता. Love the straps. It's not super thick, it's not super thin as well. The back flap as well, which I really like, is nice and thick. 4 hooks वाला back strap है. एंड ये साइड वाला भी जो स्ट्रैप एरिया है ना, इट्स नॉट वेरी थिन एंड पतला. इट कवर्स नाइस एरिया, तो इट लुक्स वेरी सीमलेस फ्रॉम द बैक एज वेल. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द कॉन्स, बिकॉज आई हैव अ मेजर वन. आई रियली डोंट लाइक द मटीरियल दैट दे हैव यूज्ड इन दिस मिनिमाइजर ब्रा. आई विश they would have come up with more size options, because yeah, double D is the maximum size that it goes, and I wish ये भी थोड़ा बड़ा होता. Like it has full coverage, थोड़ा और होता तो और अच्छे से ये fit होता. So yeah, material wise it's a bummer. Other than that, it's a good one. So I would give this a 7 on 10. Next, I picked up their padded all day bra, and it looks something like this. ये भी मुझे इतना खास नहीं लगा, honestly. Talking about the pads, it's not something that you can remove. I don't know, something about the way it looks after I wear it, it's not very flattering. If you look at the try on part, you will understand what I'm talking about. It's not the most seamless. You will be able to see this thing through, which I'm not a big fan of. ये थोड़ा थिकनेस में थिक है, इतना ज़्यादा सीमलेस नहीं है, विच इज़ लाइक अ मेजर बमर. एंड ऑनेस्टली इतना मुझे कुछ खास ये ब्रा लगा भी नहीं. सो या, आई डोंट नो, आई मीन इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल ब्रा, जस्ट पैडेड. Nothing too fancy or nothing like major about it. It's a so-so product. I would give it a 6 on 10. Finally, the last product I picked up from Underneath, it's their all-day hold strapless bra. It looks something like this, and आप देख सकते हो, it's not the shapewear material. It's very different. It's very similar to what you get in the market from a lot of brands, honestly. But I was very excited about the side strap. अगर आप देखोगे, it's nice and big and thick, which I like. So let's talk about the pros first. It's a nice big cups, which I like. But size wise, उसमें सिर्फ D cup तक ही है, nothing more than that. So does it fit me the best cup wise? Actually no. It is strapless, and ये वाला strap भी दिया हुआ है, and they also have given like a clear strap as well. So yeah, you can wear it multiple ways. You can wear it strapless and stuff like that. Love the side band. It's nice and thick. Plus यहाँ पर silicone का lining भी दिया हुआ है ऊपर and नीचे. So it definitely will grip you nicely. Yeah, that's all the pro that I have. Let's talk about the con now. The first one is definitely the size. Cup size maximum D तक ही है, and I have picked it up in size 36D, which is quite big. आप देख सकते हो, the cups are super big. yet it's still not fitting me the best. I feel there is a lot of spillage on top. I don't know why. Side support jo diya hua hai, that is really good, and it's not the most seamless. It's so thick. If you're wearing anything which is patla and figure hugging, it's gonna peek through. So I really wish they wouldn't have gone the generic route. I feel like aise wale bras बहुत सारे हैं अवेलेबल इन द मार्केट एंड इन गुड साइज ऑप्शंस एज वेल. सो ये काफ़ी जेनरिक लगा. आई एम डेफिनेटली गोना रिटर्न इट. आई रियली विश शेपवेयर वाला जो मटेरियल था, इट्स सीमलेस, इट इज स्ट्रैपलेस. They would have just adopted that and made it a little bit more better in a strapless bandeau bralette kind of situation. They could have done so much more with that because it gives the support, it gives the lift, and you know, they could have added few bits and pieces more in that and made it a truly iconic product that's not available in the market. This is available in the market. So ये मुझे इतना कुछ खास लगा भी नहीं, so I'll return it. I'm not the most comfortable in it. There's a lot of spillage going on. This is a 36D. I really can't go above that. So yeah, and that's it for today's video, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. सारे products के link मैंने description में दे दिए हैं. Do not forget to check them out. And आपका favorite product कौन सा था? Which one you would like to try out? Let me know in the comments. I would love to know that. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Anywhere you go, you belong. Anywhere you say,